With my journey, prior to like opening a physical store, I would say the expectation is okay from pop-ups, from onlines, which is up and down ang trend ng sales. I would say na a year ago, bago ako mag-open ng physical store, okay, mag-open ako ng physical store. Parang isip ko dati, pag may physical store na ako, araw-araw na yung benta ng sapatos, scale ko na yung business, okay na ako. Pero nung ginagawa ko na siya, there are a lot of opportunities na parang okay, shit, iba pala yung experience pag nandyan ka na ginagawa mo na talaga siya. I would say when I started the business, parang last quarter, November of 2024, I would say my whole 2025, it's more of like really figuring out the whole system of the business, identifying the opportunities, which part can the business improve on. In short, it's more of like building a system on the business. Because for me, as an entrepreneur, I would say na it's really important for you to figure out the whole blueprint or system of the business. Kasi if you are keep on working at the business all the time and not working on the business, you just found yourself another job. And that's bad as an entrepreneur, di ba? You are not an entrepreneur talaga. You are self-employed for side. Sometimes people confuse self-employed sa entrepreneur eh. Parang nami-mix nila, which is something na kailangan malaman mo from the get-go if you are planning to get into a business. So, yun. It's more of like the learnings for 2025. And I would say, um, with the trend of what's going on right now with 2026, if I will be comparing it from last year, I think we're getting there. Wala pang kami doon, pero we are constantly building momentum. We are seeing kung ano man, I always talk to this with Francis. Francis is my operations manager. I'm also very blessed to have him on the team kasi kung ano man mga pinag-uusapan namin ngayon, parang nagugulat na lang kami na nangyayari na siya ngayon. It's more about like, yeah, you're thinking about it, you're planning it, but at the same time, you need to make sure na you are constantly making baby steps kung paano ka makakarating from level 2 to level 5. Parang ganun siya. So, looking back right now, what we have right now with the store, recent renovation, with the plans, we added toys. Now, we still selling sneakers. May konti na kaming apparels. May mga vape products na kami na we're moving. So, I would say na lahat ng to pinag-usapan at linano lang namin, but hindi lang namin siya parang pinag-usapan na tapos the next day kinalimutan na namin. No, it's a constant work. It's a constant brainstorming over beer or coffee, me and Francis. Also me talking to other business owners as well, researching online, listening to other gurus, listening to podcasts online. It's all about a mixture of everything eh. Experience plus talking to several people and listening to people who walk the talk. So, ganun.